See the ninth problem. We have to simplify the ninth one from exercise 1.4 from real numbers. Fourth root of 81 minus 8 times cube root of 343 plus 15 times fifth root of 32 plus square root of 225. Okay, we'll go to first one. Fourth root of 81. Fourth root of 81 is nothing but 81 to the power of 1 by 4. Fourth root means 1 by 4. Here 81 is the base and power is 1 by 4. This is always we call it as radical form. This is exponential form, that equals to 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. That means 81 is nothing but 3 times 3 times 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 84. 4 get cancelled, we get 3 in place of fourth root of 81. Now coming to the cube root of 343. This is my radical form, keep in mind. This is the cube root of, that is equals to 343 to the power of 1 by 3. This is exponential form. 343 we can write 343, we can write 7 times 7 times 7. 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 343. So here we can write 7 cube all to the power of 1 by 3. Again 3 get cancelled, we'll get 7. Now coming to the fifth root of 32. Fifth root of 32, that is equals to 32 to the power of 1 by 5. I told you clearly fifth root means 1 by 5. I mean 32 to the power of 1 by 5. Keep in mind, this is my exponential form and this is my radical form. There is no difference between these two. This is also we can write 32 to the power of 1 by 5. But 32 we can write 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 by 5. 5 get cancelled, that is equals to 2. That means fifth root of 32 is nothing but 2. Now coming to the square root of 225. Square root means 225 to the power of 1 by 2. Nothing is there means here square root. Square root is nothing but second root of 225. This is we can write 15 square all to the power of 1 by 2, that is equals to 2 get cancelled, we get 15. Now coming to given expression, in place of fourth root of 81 we can take 3 minus 8 times cube root of 343 is nothing but 7. 8 times 7, 8 times 7. In place of this I taken, in place of this I taken 7. I explained clearly how you get 7. Now coming to the 15. So 15 times fifth root of 32 I explained here. See here, here I explained that value is equals to 2. 15 times 2. Now coming to the square root of 225, that is nothing but 15. I explained here. Now I will write it down here 15. Now coming to 3 minus 8 7 ja 7 7 ja 49 1 7 56 minus 56 2 15 is 30 plus 15. 30 plus 15 45 45 plus 3 48. 30 plus 15 45 45 plus 3 48. 48 minus 56 is nothing but minus 8. This is the last answer after simple